Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can upload video from gallery on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now in the lower section, you'll see an option of a plus icon. Tap on that icon. You now will be able to make a new post adding either photo or video from your gallery. Here I'm going to add a video from my gallery. On the top right corner you'll see a next sign. Tap on that. Also in the top right corner you can see options to add music, text, stickers, and even filters in your video. Similarly, in the down right corner, tap on the next button. You can also write a caption, tag people, select your audience. Here I'm going to directly share the video. Your video will be posted depending on your internet speed. Like shown on the screen, your video will now be posted. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.